Good morning. Today we will read about biographical sketch writing prescribed in the curriculum of class 8th. As we can see in the picture, the author is gathering some informations about an individual. The author gathers the information and then filters them and present. This is bio sketch writing. It means pen portraying somebody. It means writing all the gathered information like his birth, death, achievements, and many other things. And those informations are written and presented. That is the bio sketch of anybody. Biographical sketch. A bio sketch or biographical sketch of a person contains a detailed account of his physical outlook, characteristics, nature, job profile, and all other relevant personal information as required. The data provided in the question is used to write a bio sketch or personally compiled by the writer. We have all the informations given in the question. We have to write those informations and pen portray that individual. Bio sketch or biographical sketch is a brief write-up that to summarize a person's life, achievements, character, experiences, etc. It is a short description highlighting the main traits of the personality of the chosen subject. So, in bio sketch, we will write every required information about the individual which highlights its traits. So, how to write a biographical sketch? It is always written by a person other than the one who is being described. So, bio sketch is written by the other person. The person who has been described in the bio sketch will never write it. Always other person will write it. The aim of a bio sketch in large is to present a positive picture of the person concerned. It is advisable to present all the information in chronological order while writing a bio sketch so that the reader can trace the life of the subject from beginning to the end. So chronological order should be maintained. The date should be in order. It should not be mentioned haphazardly. So all the events happened in individual's life should be mentioned date by date. Now, biographical sketch format for students. The main points that need to be incorporated while writing a bio sketch are full name, date of birth, age, place of birth. Then comes major personality traits. Then educational details highlighting any major achievements or awards, his or her contribution to society, any special interest, why is he or she famous or known for. A biographical sketch is always written in the third person and aims at describing the significant achievements or impressive traits of a person's personality. In nutshell, it should be a pen portrait of an individual. The writer can then prepare a timeline of the person's life and decide which points he or she wishes to highlight. Since a bio sketch is a brief description, it describes such qualities, events, and achievements. So, the filtration of information has to be done. In short, the writer should be able to paint a pen portrait of the subject and convince the reader that the person was unique and worth reading about. So here what we are doing, we are glorifying a person. So that glorification should be done very carefully. Now we can have a look at the sole example of biographical sketch, the manner in which you will get in your exams. The question will come in this way. Write a biographical sketch of Vishwanathan Anand, Grandmaster, a world chess champion. In your own words and not more than 100 to 120 words, clues have been given. Always In such questions, clues are always given. And what we have to do, we have to read the information carefully, and then we have to write a pen portrait of that person. The information given is his birth है ना, born on December 11, 1969 in Tamil Nadu. Nationality Indian. Hobbies listening to music, swimming and reading, also known as Vishy or the Tiger of Madras. Instructor learned chess from mother at the age of 6. Marital status married, children, a son known for chess achievements. Undisputed title of World Chess Champion from 2007 to 2013. First Asian at 17 to win the World Chess title with the FIDE Junior Championship 1987. Published his collection of games under the title Vishy Anand, My Best Game of Chess. Padma Shri at the age of 18. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Arjun Award, Chess Oscar. Now we can see that every type of information related to Vishwanathan Anand we have now. And now what we have to do, we have to write this information in the paragraph form so that a reader can develop an interest to read this information. Here we have written bio sketch of Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand was born on December 11, 1969 in Tamil Nadu. He is an Indian chess player who won the undisputed title of World Chess Championship from 2007 to 2013. He learned to play chess from his mother at the age of 6. He became the first Asian at the age of 17 to win the World Chess title at the FIDE World Junior Championship in year 1987. He has published his collection of games under the title Vishy Anand, My Best Game of Chess. Anand is fond of listening to music, swimming and reading. He is married to Aruna Anand and has a son. He is fondly referred to as Vishy or the Tiger of Madras and was awarded the Padma Shri at the age of 18 years. Besides that, he has also bagged Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Arjun and Chess Oscar. So, this is the bio sketch of Vishwanathan Anand. See, here we have used all the information given in the question. Now there is question for you. Write a biographical sketch of Kailash Satyarthi, a Nobel Peace Prize honorary, in your own words in not more than 100 to 120 words. Clues have been given. Now see these clues. Kailash Satyarthi, born 11 January 1954, Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. Indian academic qualification, he is electrical engineer. Family, married, 2 children, a daughter and a son. Prize motivation, his struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. He has won so many awards. Nobel Peace Prize 2014 shared with Malala Yousafzai. Defenders of Democracy Award 2009, Alfonso Comín International Award, Spain. Robert Kennedy Human Rights Award. So many awards he has won. The description of those awards has been given here. And he is founder of Pachpan Andolan, a movement dedicated towards eradication of human trafficking and bonded child labor. So this is the question, and you have to write, you have to use this information and write all about Kailash Satyarthi in the same manner we have done in solved example of Vishwanathan Anand.